Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into how to enable the in-app camera on Discord using your Android phone. This feature is essential for engaging with friends and communities through video calls and streaming. So let's get started. First, grab your phone and locate the Settings app. It usually looks like a gear icon. Go ahead and open it up. Once you're in the settings, scroll down a bit until you see Apps or Apps and Notifications. Tap on that to get to your installed applications. Now, it's time to find Discord. Scroll through the list of apps until you see the Discord icon, and give it a tap to open the app settings. In the Discord app settings, look for an option labeled Permissions. This is where you can manage what permissions the app has access to. Here's the crucial part. Check to see that the camera permission is enabled. If you see that it's off, don't worry. Just tap on it and you'll be given a couple of options. Select Allow only while using the app, or simply Allow to grant Discord access to your camera. And there you go. You've now enabled the in-app camera for Discord, ensuring you can enjoy all the video features it has to offer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks on using your favorite apps. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting on Discord.